Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the car model in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down, click on the settings button and then click on the navigation view button and then click on the map appearance button. And if you scroll down a bit, click on the car model button, and at the top of the page on the right, click on the little button to switch between vehicles. And if you want to set, for example, this minivan, then just click on the select button, and as you can see, the little model is there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.